Hi friends, good evening. Expecting all are safe and well. Today's topic is we are going to discuss certified photocopy of the answer script. जो इंस्टीट्यूट से हम जो आंसर स्क्रिप्ट जो एग्जामिनेशन में देते हैं उसका इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट लाइक यू वांट टू गेट एग्जाम्शन और मार्क कम मिल गए हैं तो उसको रीवेरिफिकेशन के लिए डालते हैं और फोटोकॉपी के लिए डालते हैं. हाँ, सो विल गेट इफ वी अप्लाइड फॉर द फोटोकॉपी वी विल गेट द आंसर स्क्रिप्ट विच इज द जेरोक्स दे विल गिव. So that one only I'm going to discuss here. It is not a present one because present one up to now it is not released. It is the old one which is the June 2018. I have answer script, so question paper and suggested answer. So I will show you. This is the answer script of group 2 paper 11 का है जो indirect tax का है. I will show you how they are giving the marks and how you can write. This video is the most important whoever writing the examination because it will give you the clear cut idea how the institute, how the examiner will check the question paper and how you will get the step marking and how you have to present the how you are present the answer sheet. So let us start. Before that, if you are not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is the CMA Leap, and more update click on bell icon so you'll get the upcoming videos. So this is our indirect tax book. I am keeping side because at present we don't require ऐसे रजिस्टर पोस्ट आता है जो एग्जामिनेशन डायरेक्टोरेट इफ अनडिलीवर्ड जो उनका डिलीवरी का जो इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेजेस और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो सारा इसमें लिखते हैं. सो इससे कवर में आता है. इस कवर में दिस वी हैव 2 पेपर्स. दिस इज द कवर पेपर वेर यूल गेट द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया बाय स्पीड पोस्ट वट एवर द डेट यूल गेट द एड्रेस एंड सब्जेक्ट आप किसके लिए अप्लाई किया है वो यहाँ होता है, कब अप्लाई किया है और क्या कौन से सिलेबस में है, ऐसा सब कुछ होता है. एंड फाइनली यू विल गेट दिस CC2 डायरेक्टर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ICAI सर्टिफाइड फोटोकॉपी ऑफ द आंसर स्क्रिप्ट. सो ऐसा आता है. सो वी आर रिमूविंग दैट, वी आर कीपिंग साइड and this is the answer script. You can see it properly. This is 57. This is applied for the exemption but they didn't change any marks, but just I will show you how it will work now because this is very important. You will get to know how you are going to write the paper in the examination. Starting में जो दिया होता है whatever you have filled they used to remove that because whenever you will get the answer sheet you will get to know there is a thin line between like डॉटेड होता है, वहां से वो निकाल देते हैं और ऐसे चेकिंग के लिए भेजते हैं. सो यू वोंट गेट व्हाट इज द रोल नंबर एंड आपने जो फिल किया होता है वो नहीं दिखता है. सिर्फ दिस बारकोड ओनली गेट टू यूज योर आंसर शीट. सो whenever you are filling the examination form be careful, barcode is the most important. If they are without checking your roll number they are keeping the barcode, so please recheck verified because when I gave the exam that time it is happened mischanged, they are attached me some other barcode and my number was different, so it will create problem. Be careful about that. Now they will feel like this is the examiners how they marks, and here if you are applied for certified copy they will mark this and they will sign like this. So let us start. So you can see here you are seeing this first question क्या है June 2018 indirect taxation. This is a question paper. You no need to write totally full GST has replaced the following laws. You no need to write this or you no need to write fully. You have to write just see question number 1. Just write this GST section A part 1. Write it very nicely and clearly. They should understand easily. If you make it a clumsy or some mixture kind of things it will create problem them and they will get fed up of that and giving marks also. If someone is irritating you won't feel to respond properly. So same thing happened with the examiner because he is also a human being. So don't irritate them. अच्छे से लिखो, क्लियरली लिखो, so they will get to know how you are writing. So you can see this question paper. This is the question paper whatever I have answer sheet. This is the question paper June 2018 का है. This is the suggested answer. I have June 2018. So this is the answer script. I won't say to show you the suggested answer or question paper. I will just show you the answer script because it will be very important. So first question number A. In that first 1A. A का आंसर क्या है? ए का आंसर डी है, सेकेंड का बी है, थर्ड का ए है, फोर्थ का बी है, फिफ्थ का सी है. जो वट एवर इट इज द यू आर राइटिंग, five questions are same, it is right true answers, so they given 5 marks. They are giving your segregate 1 1 1 1 1 like this. So next time match the following. You no need to sit and write whole column. You have to write, see, match the followings A, B. You have to write 1 2 3 4 5 and you have to write answer. So totally it is clearly you wrote, they understood, they given the marks. You no need to write anything because time management is the most important in the examination time. So don't waste your time. GST में questions ऐसे होते हैं कि you have to sit and understand that. So it will take lot of time. Certified copy है, so certified copy का उन्होंने सील दिया है और सिग्नेचर किया है. Here PTO लिखा था. You can write whenever you are writing the exam. Please write PTO. Please turn over the page. So it will be, they will understand. Okay, पीछे में कुछ लिखा है. So don't miss that. It will be helpful for you. So you can present like this. You just see very neatly. You can present. It is no clumsy, and you won't feel any confusion. Just write the question paper. With in between, give the lines. It will look great because it is a. Presentation is the most important. If you write near, it will create irritation. So write properly, give the lines. They will give the extra seat also. So you no need to worry about that. So match the following ऐसा है. You can see here. This is true and false. Whatever the right, they wrote right. Whatever the wrong, they wrote wrong. You no need to write the sentences. You can keep the question marks. You can keep it the serial wise as a proper, and you write the answer. You will get the marks. So you no need to get confusion. This is fill in the blanks. जो right है सिर्फ words लिखने हैं, जो blanks है. तो उतना ही लिखा है, उसमें जो राइट है उनको मार्क दिया है, जो नहीं है उनको नहीं दिया है. सर्टिफाइड कॉपी दे गिवन द सिग्नेचर ऑल्सो. सो पार्ट 2 में दे आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस. दिस इज यू कैन गेट टू नो पार्ट 2 आंसर एनी 4 क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि कस्टम्स भी है उसके लिए सेपरेट पार्ट है. सो 2A1 में 1 to 2 क्वेश्चंस है. So based on that you have to write. If the points are correct, suggested answer they will take whenever you are checking the papers. They will keep with them suggested answers, and suggested answers में जो key point मिलता है उसके ऊपर ही marks मिलता है. So this is the part 2 GST Council. Whatever they ask the questions, if the points are not correct, they won't give any marks. You can see here. This is so there is no marks because they didn't get any points in that. If correct also they didn't feel proper, so they didn't give the marks. This is question एक complete हो गया. इतना place छोड़ दीजिए. There is no problem. You can start first question का second sub question. You can start with the new answer sheet. So you can see this. This is the second question. First में second question है GST advantages. So इसमें कुछ पॉइंट्स नहीं मिले, इसमें पॉइंट्स मिले तो उन्होंने मार्क्स दिया है. सो पॉइंट्स मस्ट बी देयर फ्रॉम द सजेस्टेड आंसर और प्रॉपर आंसर. सो यहाँ भी पॉइंट नहीं है, सो दे गिवन 0 0 0. सो यहाँ हाउ मच you earned, they given 4 marks here. Whatever we wrote there, and they given the 4 marks. Here we are not started because see you can leave the page because to at least that question का continuation यहाँ तक हुआ है. So उसके बाद new question start करना है. You can leave this page, not a problem. Just write the PTO and go to the next page and you can start the new question. So you can see here. Now just check. This is a step marking because जहाँ wrong है they didn't give marks, and जहाँ right है they given the marks. So you can check. This is the question. So this is the question and answer here. So you can check. See, first point correct, half marks. Second point not correct, it's false, 0. Third point correct, they given half marks. For fourth point not correct, they given 0 marks. One next point, this point is not correct, they given 0 marks. This point is correct, they given half marks. So totally कितने हुए? 1.5. 3 points correct है, 1 2 3, so they given 1.5 marks. So it is a step marking. You no need to think एक wrong हो गया तो see this is the last point is correct, this wrong, this wrong, this wrong, this is the correct, this is the correct, this is the correct. So you will get to know this is the step marking. So whenever you are solving, don't think they won't use the step marking. Obviously they will use the step marking. You can see this is the answer script where we get from the examiners, whatever they're checking. So you will get to know the whatever the mentality of the examiner. So it will be helpful for you. This is the next question. This point जहाँ जहाँ मिलता है वहीं पे ही marks मिलता है, even theory हो practical हो. This they got 1 point, they given 1 marks. This they got 1 point, they given the mark. This is they didn't get 10 point, they didn't give any marks. Here you can see they got here points 1 1 1 1 1. Wherever they got points properly, they given the marks, and wherever they didn't get the point, they didn't give the marks. So totally 7 marks. So यहाँ भी मैंने पेज छोड़ा है क्योंकि यहाँ कुछ न्यू क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होना चाहिए था. So इसलिए you can leave the page and you can start new question from the new page. So this is the question 5B. You can write any question randomly, like question excuse me. If you are okay with or confident with question 3 first, you can go through the question 3. If you are confident with the question 6, you can go through the question 6. But don't segregate these things. If you are not able to understand, you just leave the space and go through the next. इनको differentiate नहीं करना है. ये you should write one by one. So question 6, A1 you write. B you are not able to understand, you can leave the one page and go to the next. B you can write. Otherwise give this place and go for the next. Otherwise it will get confused for them also. So they should not get confused with your answers. I will give you the trick whatever they have given here. So fifth one, this is whatever the points they are getting, they given the marks. So totally 5 you go get it. So question number 6 में जितने marks see, you can see here the step markings. Okay, this is the correct one. 1 marks they given this. Only for this they given 1 marks. So step marking, obviously you will get the same thing they are given here. New question, new page. So you can go through it. You will get to know some important points I have to tell here. So this is, you can see here, if the answer is correct, they will give proper marks. See, per stepping they given half marks, half marks, half marks, half marks. This is total full marks. So total marks they given. If your answer is correct, they won't cut the marks. So please understand how they are giving the marks. So this is it. This will start customs. You can write in the new page custom section B whatever, and whatever the correct, you just write this because time saving is the important. Both questions होते हैं. Questions means you have to understand what kind of questions they are giving and you have to answer it properly. So this is here the problem. What happened? This question for the 9 marks. Question number 10. Question number 10A. This question for the 9 marks. And यहाँ problem क्या हुआ था? The exchange rate of notified by CBEC. And here taken by something 64 RBI. 1 second. Okay, यहाँ exchange rate का problem हुआ था. So when we have converted into the rupees, it has changed because exchange rate we have to take as per CBEC, but we didn't take wrong. So you can see here this we have solved here. It is a correct. यहाँ exchange rate wrong हो गया. Exchange rate also correct, but after this some steps are got wrong because we have to use here. 1 second. Okay, exchange notified by RBI. Okay, यहाँ से stepping wrong हुई है, तो actually we should get the 9 marks. If you lose the marks because you are going to add each and everything, so it is wrong. So when the accessible value in the rupee 64, it is wrong. Custom duty, whatever after you are adding each and everything, it will be give wrong answer, because one step wrong you will be solve in the wrong way only. इसको 9 marks मिलना चाहिए था, सिर्फ you got 3 marks मिला है, so you lost 6 marks. Then what, whenever you are solving the exchange rate or this custom में जो accessible value होता है, FOB होता है, please look at properly and solve it, because if one step you are losing, this is a very easy question, but one step if you solve it wrongly and adding the same thing, it will give a bad effect on your answer sheet. Because see, here is the 3 mark and 9 marks, you are 6 marks you are losing, obviously 57 here. If 6 marks 63, it will come. So it will, whatever you studied and applied your mind here, it is totally you are not able to get the exemption. So ये फिर से पेपर आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम लिखना पड़ेगा, तो कितना दर्द होता है. Everyone knows who given the examination. So this is the point. Next I will show you this. This is whatever we wrote the next questions. I will show you extra questions here solved, but they checked that question. See here, you can see here, this is the extra question. Whenever you have time you can solve, but they won't add the marks whenever you are adding the next level. Question number 7 extra hai, so you got your 1 marks. So 1 marks here they are checking properly. Ignore being the extra answer. Extra answer है आपको जो दिया था 4 क्वेश्चन और 5 क्वेश्चन और कस्टम में 2 क्वेश्चन और 1 क्वेश्चन, उसके होने के बाद भी आप सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो they will check but they won't add the marks. So please careful about that. Don't solve. There is no use of solving the extra questions. You won't get marks. Ignore being the extra answers. So 1 mark add नहीं हुआ है. They already wrote here. So this is also extra. You can see here. Ignore being the extra answers. They are not given here. You will get this is the proper answers जो क्वेश्चन पेपर से है, तो इसको उन्होंने कुछ अफेक्ट नहीं किया है. This is also extra. Sorry, this is also extra. Whatever you wrote, you got the marks here 1.5. But this is also ignore being the extra answers. So extra questions mat likhiye. They won't give the marks. They will check but they won't add it. So this is the proper question. जो लिखना था. You got 3 marks. They given. They didn't wrote anything. This is supplement extra mark sheets लिए थे हम. तो एक्स्ट्रा जो जितने हमने लिए थे उतना उन्होंने जेरोक्स करके दिया है. सो दिस इज इट. आई थिंक आपको पता चला होगा कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है एंड क्या करना है. वेर एवर वी हैव टू राइट द न्यू क्वेश्चन एंड स्टेप मार्किंग कैसी होती है, हाउ टू राइट MCQs, मल्टीपल चॉइस, fill in the blanks, true and false. So I hope this is the useful one. If you have any doubt or queries, please keep the message. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.